What's up, guys? Back at it today. We're gonna head to the gym before work. So a couple of things I wanted to mention today was today I'm gonna be trying my first high intensity interval workout. I'll explain more of that later. I'll do a small video of it, but I won't be able to catch the whole thing. It'll probably just be me gasping for air mostly is what you'll see. So I'll see you guys at the gym. Explain to you guys what the HIIT workout is for the high intensity interval training. It's a technique which you do an all-out 100% effort, and then it's a training technique where you do an all-out burst workout, so 100%, and then you do a short recovery period. So an example of what I did today at the treadmill was I did 15 seconds of all-out sprint and then a minute recovery, or even less. But since the treadmill takes a while to get up to the speed and get down to the speed, I did a 15-second speed once I reached the top speed, a 15-second all-out burst, and then a slow down recovery to a minute or so. So this, what does this actually do for you? So it increases your body's oxygen consumption level, what we call EPOC, so exercise post oxygen consumption. So basically EPOC is the amount of oxygen required to restore your body to its normal resting level rates of metabolism, which once you start doing these, it's called the afterburn effect, as you can say, as your body's trying to bring it back to the normal levels of metabolism since you use so much of the oxygen stores. So this training really gets your heart rate up, burns a lot of calories fast, and it basically causes a shortage of oxygen and causing your body to ask for more oxygen during recovery, which starts working your metabolism. It starts making it increases your fat loss, or it makes you work even after you're done doing the high intensity interval workouts. One good thing I do love about these workouts is that they're short and simple, but they're very high intensity. So you're going at 100% or none. So it can last up to like 15 minutes, maybe less. Always have a cool down period after about 10 minutes. I did mine for about 15 minutes. 15-second run, minute rest, 15-second run, minute rest, 15-second run. This is really good for sport-specific exercises, per se football, since it's about 15 seconds. 6 seconds is a play, while you have a rest of about 15-30 seconds, and then 6 seconds again. So it just really helps out your metabolism, increases your endurance. You could do it almost anywhere you want, outside, indoors, on the treadmill, working out. It's up to you no matter what you do. So I just wanted to explain to you guys what HIIT training is. Hope you guys learned something. Have a good rest of your day, and thanks for listening and watching.